Hey everybody, welcome back. It is like 80 degrees, sunny today in Missouri, beautiful weather. We are going to put in an outside hydrant here. Got all my tools positioned. Got this block that I made. The cavity will make sense when you see that go in. All about getting space. And I'm just going to kind of eyeball where I want it. In the middle there, give or take something. Well, you guys are a little bit crooked there. Let's get you leveled up. All right. We got 106 inches. About 53 centimeters, give or take. Spot drill this right here. Deeper than I wanted. And that is simply to go ahead and fasten this piece of siding. So there's a starter strip under there. I want everything to stay put. Cut this free. Alright, let's make a little noise here. That thing is dull. first hammer I found, but it'll do the trick. I said it would do the trick. It's in there good. Those are going into 3/4 inch plywood, and then the 8-inch beam behind it. So yeah, that's pretty solid. Okay, so this is the drill bit that I used to drill that out. I'm going to use it to spot that here in a minute. Gotta remove a little bit of my flashing here. Let's get you guys a look. So what I got here. Alright, so this flashing comes up under the siding and it's kick out because this basement wall protruded past the house. And that sure complicated things. And that was the best way I could figure to make sure that I got that to where it would stay dry. So we're going to hope that that does the trick. So I'm only using this bit here to spot my center. Okay, that's where we're going to go. The big boy here. Make sure we're running up here. That's a pretty fast way to drill an 1.25 hole right there. Pretty fast way. Runs uphill. That way when I get everything put in there, it's good to go. Lines up fine. Okay. Normally this flashing would extend back in behind there, but I really don't have a good practical way to make that happen. So we're gonna put it up in there like this and do some things to make sure it's sealed up. When I say that, I basically mean we're going to caulk it up good, which this siding requires that anyway. I should have checked that before I went for it, huh? Okay. Also going to caulk the sides, the top, but not the bottom. But this, that way, it will, if anything gets behind it, it'll run out. Looks good. My flashing's not perfectly lined up yet, but it will be. Okay, looks pretty good. These are exterior rated screws. I'll probably actually replace these with 3-inch screws. That way I go all the way into that beam. I know this might look terrible, but the manufacturer says to caulk all the seams. So here we are. We're going to make it to where the water has to run out or off. I'm not going to caulk these yet, in case I decide to change them. Of course, this all will get painted, right? So it'll end up blending in. You know, you guys might not think this happens, but every house that you see that has LP Smart Strand or Hardy board, here to tell you that the seams are caulked just like that and painted in. And they look fine when it happens. There's a little bit of caulk squeezing out right there inside. Alright, let's make up our first connections here. So I made the whoopsie buying a hose bib that has a 3/4 inch fitting on it. So I got to crimp a piece of 3/4 on it. And then crimp an adapter in it for the 1/2 inch line that it is inside, because we have good water pressure here. And this is not a whole yard watering thing, you know. This is, you want to water some flowers, or burn some leaves in the ditch, just stopping and stuff. So we don't need 1,000 gallons per minute. The reason that I like these PEX is very easy to work on. It has proven itself to me to have a really good lifespan. So I'm very fond of using it when I can. If you guys have ever seen one of these crimpers, it's kind of from when PEX really first came out and was getting popular. Crimps 4 sizes, you just got to change the jaws. Which is very straightforward. Just fasten in with the set screw, indexes it in like a pin. You're good to go. Tip you guys down so you can watch. Here we go. Got my fitting where I want it. Make sure we're straight and square. See there? There is a go, no-go gauge with this, but I've never found it to not be on the money. A lot of videos out there about the pressure that these things will take, the fittings, and I sure believe it. I have to flex it down, hitting the floor joist in there. Let me go pull that down. I'll be right back. All right, got that where it fits. Let's get that fastened up. And I want to try to get it kind of in the middle there. I like it. All right, I'm gonna make up the connection inside and I'll be right back. All right, well, I went in and made up the connection. That went quickly because I'd already stubbed it out basically all the way over here, so let's see. Look at that. Perfect. That'll be handy, handy, handy. Short video, but nice, easy job. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Lots of projects to come. Thanks for watching.